Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor in Hostinger. First, ensure WordPress is installed on your Hostinger account. This is the foundational step for any website. Next, access your WordPress dashboard, which is your control center. From there, navigate to the Plugins section. You will then install the Elementor plugin directly from the WordPress repository. This powerful page builder will transform your design capabilities, allowing for intuitive visual editing without any coding knowledge. Once Elementor is installed, you are ready to start designing. Begin by creating a new page or post within your WordPress dashboard. You will then see a prominent button labeled Edit with Elementor. Click this to launch the intuitive page builder interface. Elementor operates on a simple drag-and-drop principle, allowing you to easily place various widgets like headings, images, and buttons onto your canvas. You can then customize each element with precise control over colors, fonts, and spacing. Elementor offers many advanced features to streamline your design process. You can leverage hundreds of pre-designed templates and blocks to quickly build professional-looking pages. For even more power, consider Elementor Pro, which unlocks features like custom CSS, theme builder, and pop-up builder. Implement global styles to maintain consistent branding across your entire site. Always use the responsive editing tools to ensure your website looks perfect on all devices, from desktop to mobile. After meticulously designing your page, the final step is to make it live. Always preview your page thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments before publishing. Once satisfied, simply click the Publish button located at the bottom of the Elementor panel. For your changes to appear immediately, especially on Hostinger, it is often necessary to clear your website's cache. Finally, regularly monitor your site's performance and user experience to ensure everything runs smoothly for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.